Aasalamualaikum guys. In this video we are learning about one of the concept of Python programming. Actually it is the concept of every programming or to specifically defined in Python to be learned. So it is nothing but the delimiter. So if you want to learn more about this kind of concept, you subscribe to my channel and be kind enough to like that channel and the video. Share this channel to the people. So what is delimiter? The burning question, what does the delimiter really is? So here are definition of delimiters. Python uses the symbol and symbol combination. As in the word, the combination of the symbol as delimiters in expression. So it is in list, dictionaries and strings. So for the following are delimiters. For example, we are using the first this parenthesis with the two ones. Start beginning with ending, and also the square bracket with beginning ending. Also with this flower bracket that is also beginning with ending, and also comma, colon, full stop, quotation. Everything we are using in programming is delimiters. For example, symbols also known as delimiters, and the combination of symbols also known as delimiters. So, if you want to learn more about this kind of concepts, subscribe to my channel as possible as you can, and share this channel, share this video to everyone, and make sure to be kind enough to like that button and also the bell button to not get the notifications as early as possible. So thank you guys for being with me. Thank you. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you guys.